Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile and stylish HOOBRO Hall Tree with bench, a perfect all-in-one storage solution for your entryway. This innovative piece combines hooks, drawers, a shoe-changing bench, and a shoe rack, meticulously optimizing every inch of space to create a neatly organized living area. With 5 fixed hooks and 9 removable ones, you can easily hang coats, handbags, and hats, while the 2 fabric drawers provide a convenient spot for smaller items like keys and gloves. Crafted from premium particle board and a sturdy metal frame, this Hall Tree is built to last, featuring adjustable feet and an anti-tip device for enhanced stability. Its retro style, with a captivating blend of rustic brown and classic black, adds a unique artistic flair to your home. Plus, the easy assembly process, complete with detailed instructions and labeled parts, ensures that even first-timers can transform their entryway into a stylish and functional space in no time. So, if you're looking to elevate your home's entrance with a touch of elegance and practicality, the HOOBRO Hall Tree with bench is your go-to choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.